Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. Today we are going to start SST class. You can take out the SST book, chapter 11, page number 75. In page number 75 you can see Kolkata. So today we are going to learn about Kolkata, okay? So yesterday we have learned Delhi, right? So today we are going to learn Kolkata. Kolkata is a metropolitan city. It is the capital of West Bengal. As we all know, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata was earlier called Calcutta. It is believed that the city got its name from Kalikata. So, Kolkata, it got the city name from Kalikata. Okay, one of the three villages situated there before. Before Delhi, Kolkata was the capital of India till 1918. So, before Delhi, Kolkata was the capital of India in 1918. Okay, till 1918, Kolkata was the capital of India. Now, Kolkata have a name given by three villages. They situated there. Okay. Now, till 1918, under the British rule, Kolkata is located in the eastern part of India on the banks of river Hooghly. So, Kolkata is located on the eastern part of India on the banks of Hooghly, river. Okay. Go to page number 93 and check the exact locations of Kolkata on the map of India. So you can go through page number 93. In page number 93 you can see the map and check where is Kolkata located and where is Delhi located. There is a map on page number 93. You can check it. Okay. Now, Kolkata was a warm and humid climate. It is neither hot or cold. Heavy rains with thunderstorms during monsoon called Kal Baisakhi are regular features in Kolkata. So, Kolkata has a warm and humid climate. It has a warm and humid climate. It is neither hot or cold. वहाँ पर कभी ठंडा होता है और कभी गर्म होता है. And heavy rains with thunderstorms during monsoon is called. So, in monsoon time, when a heavy rains or a thunderstorm is come, so during monsoon season, it is called Kal Baisakhi. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Kal Baisakhi. Okay. Now, the office of the West Bengal government are located in Kolkata. The government of the chief minister and one minister of West Bengal live in Kolkata. So, you can see the government office also located in Kolkata. The governor, the chief minister and the other minister of West Bengal lives in Kolkata only. Okay. The writer buildings in Kolkata is secretariat buildings of the state government of West Bengal. So, the writer buildings also in Kolkata, secretariat building, there are of the state government of West Bengal. This is the writer buildings. You can see the pictures also in your book. Now, industries. There are many important industries in Kolkata. There are so many industries in Kolkata like textile, jute, rice, paper, silk and chemicals are the major products of the industries of Kolkata. So, these are the major product of industries of Kolkata. Okay. Now, Kolkata has an important port called the Diamond Harbour. It is connected to the sea by the river Hooghly. So, Kolkata has an important port called Diamond Harbour. It is connected to the sea. Okay. It is connected to the sea by the river of Hooghly. वो connect हुआ है sea से by the river of Hooghly. Okay. The Rabindranath statue is the bridge located on the Hooghly river. So, on the Hooghly river, Rabindranath Tagore statue is there. you can see whenever you will visit Hooghly river, you will see the statue of Ravindranath. Okay, the bridge has been named after the great Bengali poet Ravindranath Tagore. So the bridge has been named after the great Bengali poet. So Ravindranath Tagore is a poet, right? So it is named as a Bengali poet Ravindranath Tagore. Earlier Ravindranath statue was called Howrah Bridge. So earlier time Ravindranath statue was called Howrah Bridge. So उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Howrah Bridge. Now Howrah is the main railway stations of Kolkata. So Howrah is the main station of Kolkata. It is situated on the west bank of river Hooghly. So it is situated on the western bank of river Hooghly. The Howrah station is connected to the city by the Ravindra statue. So it is connected to the Ravindra statues also. Howrah stations is also connected with the Ravindra statue. Okay. Now a second bridge, Vidyasagar statue, also connected to Howrah to Calcutta. So second statue of Vidyasagar is also connected to Howrah to Calcutta. Okay. First station is connected to Howrah station to Ravindra statue, and second Vidyasagar also connected to Howrah to Calcutta. Okay. Now place of interest where you can visit also. The Maidan, a large open ground, is located on the heart of Kolkata. Chowringhee, a popular business district and shoppers centers, is also close to the Maidan. For William Victoria Memorial Botanical Gardens, Alipur Zoo, Birla Planetarium, Eden Gardens, Salt Lake Stadium and Belur Math are the most see for the tourists. So these are the places that tourists can also, and you also can visit the places like Eden Garden, Birla Planetarium. There are so many places that you can visit. Okay. Now life of Kolkata. People of Kolkata speak Bengali. So as usual we all know people of Kolkata, those who live in Kolkata, mainly people used to speak in Bengali, right? Agriculture and fishing are the main occupations of people. So the main occupations of people is agriculture and fishing. Now men generally wear dhoti and kurta, and women wear sari and salwar suits. So mainly people used to wear, men used to wear dhoti, kurta, and women used to wear sari, salwar kurta. Okay, salwar suits. They likes to eat rice, fish, rasgulla, Misti and sandesh are the favorite sweets. So these are the favorite sweets of Bengali. So their street foods include khati roll, and people use public transport such as bus, taxi and rickshaw in Kolkata. So people used to travel in buses, taxi, rickshaw in Kolkata. Okay. Now now you can see Kolkata has underground railway system. So in Kolkata you will see underground railway station called metro. उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Metro. Trams are small trains that runs on track by the side of some roads in the cities. Kolkata is only the city in India to have trams. So only in Kolkata you will see trams. Okay. Now Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is also located at Dum Dum. So Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is located on Dum Dum. Okay. Bengal has a rich culture of art, music and dance. Rabindranath Sangeet is very popular here. People celebrate Durga Puja with great zeal. It is their main festival. People are also love sports like football and cricket. Cricket matches are held in Eden Garden. So people in Kolkata, their main festival is Durga Puja. So and in sports they used to play football and cricket in Eden Garden. Okay. Now matches are held in Eden Garden. Cricket, football matches are held in Cricket Garden. वो football match, cricket match कहाँ होता है? Eden Garden में. Okay. Now Rabindranath Tagore, Satyajit Ray and Saurav Ganguly are some famous personalities from Kolkata. So these three peoples are the famous personality. As we all know, Rabindranath Tagore, Satyajit Ray and Saurav Ganguly are the famous personalities from Kolkata. They belongs from Kolkata. Okay. Now we have finished the chapter. We have learned about Kolkata city, right? Kolkata city is a metropolitan city and it is the capital of West Bengal. Okay. Now we are going to do an exercise work. You can take out your book. Page number 78. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The Secretariat building is called the Writers Building. Kal Baisakhi is a thunderstorm. The old name of Ravindra statue is Howrah Bridge. Trams are small trains. Okay. Now give one word answer for the following. So I will give you one example. You have to do by yourself. Question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. You have the answer in your book, so you can find it. Okay. What was Kolkata earlier known as Calcutta? Calcutta. Okay. So by this you have to only write one word answer. Okay. Question number 2, question number 3 and 4, this is your homework. Now you can see, replace the underlined words with correct ones to make the statements true. Kalikata is the name of one of the 3 goddesses in Calcutta. Is it true? No. 3 villages. Villages in Calcutta. Dash is one of the industries in Calcutta. So textile. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Bengali actor. Is it true? No. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. Trams are small trains, not underground trains. Small trains. So Dash is a large open ground in Calcutta. Maidan. So you can write this in your copy. Exercise A, B and C. Do this in your copy. Okay. This is your homework. So for today we have finished the chapter 11. Revise the chapter. For today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.